Hey, this is the shack that Dennis built, and today I'm going to show you how to build this amazing cat palace. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. You got the crow's nest up here, the feeding area here, the sleeping habitat there, and the play area down there. And of course, I've got my nice little kitty. So, you stick around with me, we'll show you how to do that, but first make sure you like my videos and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my videos. Hey, I'm here with my good buddy Willie the Workman, my assistant, and we are getting ready to work on the cat house. Can you believe that the dog wants to work on the cat house? That's right. Hey, Willie, good dog. Hey, over here, I got a bunch of stuff. I got some plywood, a couple pieces of kind of rounded wood, and the bucket down there, and a basketball hoop, and I got this nice remnant from Lowe's for $9. They were asking for more, but I said, hey, I'll give it to you for $9. And this is the materials that I'm going to start building my cat palace with. You ready to start working on that, Willie? Yeah! As I begin this project, what I've got is I've got a couple of scrap pieces of plywood, 30 by 18 3/4. That's what I happen to have. And then I've got this other piece of plywood here. And it's 19 1/2, so I'll cut this one down to 18 3/4. And then I'll cut 30 inches and 30 inches. That gives me my 3 base pieces for the 3 floors high that this cat palace is going to be. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd floor here. Our little orange 5-gallon bucket. That's going to be the cat house. We're going to cut a hole in there so the cat can get in. And my 1-gallon bucket of paint is going to be a hole that I'm going to just decide arbitrarily. That's how big I'm going to make my hole. I'm going to put a hole right here so the cat can crawl up through it from one level to the next. So first thing I'm going to cut that hole out. To cut my hole out, I'm going to first drill a hole into it, and then I'm going to use my saber saw to finish the cut. And there's my cat hole. I'm going to cut a 45 here into each of the corners. I'm repurposing this old cat plaything to become a cat palace, and I'm going to take off these 3 legs, I'm going to take off all this other stuff, and I'm going to find a way to put it on the new cat palace. Hey, I'm here with Willie the Workman today, and today we're going to work on this cat box, but tell me, Willie, what do you think about this cat thing? We're working on the cat thing for the cat. What do you have to say about that?
Well, let me tell you what I have to say about that. Hey, do you know why cats always get their own way?
No, Willie. Why do cats always get their own way?
Because they have friendly persuasion. Get it? Persuasion.
Yeah, I got that one, Willie.
Hey, I got another one for you.
Oh, you have another one for me. That's great to hear. Tell me the other one, Willie.
Why did the snowman name his dog Frost?
I don't know. Frost. Tell me why, Willie.
Because frost bites.
Okay, Willie. Well, today we're going to use this cat's paw to take this apart. And because this is manufactured to work, I'm going to try to save all the connections and set it up the same way. There we go, there's our first set of legs. So we're going to put some legs right here, here, and here. It's going to be three-legged. So I'm going to put my legs, the hole 3 inches by 3 inches from the edge. Cutting out spot for the leg to go in. We want to drop this down a little bit so it doesn't scratch on the floor. So we're going to have to do something like this and inset that. We don't want it scratching the floor. We got the holes drilled. We got it countersunk. And now we're going to flip it over and put the legs on. Look at that. We got our first level up. Second level, this one here. There we have the second level, and now it's time to put our carpet on top of that. We got a nice little hole here for the cat to climb through. Now what we do need to do with this hole right here is we're going to have to cut it so we can pull it through and staple it. Cut it like a pie, and then we'll take and we'll pull these up, staple them. So that's what the bottom looks like, kind of like a star, and that's what the top looks like. Nice, very nice. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this bucket. I got an old bucket here. I'm going to put it up here, take the handle off, and carpet it, and we're going to make it into a little bit of a hideaway for the cat. Off with the handle. I'm just going to use a gallon jug. Use this end as my template for my hole. And that's how the cat's going to get in and out. Finish it off with my saber saw. And there's our hole. So we're going to cut the top, draw a circle, and we're going to use some contact cement and glue that on there. So I've decided that these ridges are in the way, and I need to get rid of these ridges because it's going to be very difficult to glue my carpet. There we go. Now we've got a somewhat smooth surface to glue to. going to drop in there, get my top measurement. I sure hope this works. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, we're putting this contact cement on. We got contact cement on here. We got it down here. We're putting it on, basically the idea is to put it on a nice thin coat. You don't want to put it on too thick. You don't want to glob it on. You want to put it on a nice thin, even coat so that it dries. Once it gets tacky, then we'll put it on there. It's going to be incredible. All right, well, the top is tacky. So we're going to go ahead and put the top on, set it in place. Very nice. All right. And there it is. There's my little cat house. That's where my cat's going to live. And I've got carpet on the top, carpet on the sides. I got carpet on the inside. Look at that, look at that. Carpet on the inside. That's going to be quite the amazing cat palace. So here we have it. Here's the cat palace, the Taj Mahal of all cat palaces, where the cat can crawl up through here, over to here, into there, and he can just enjoy himself. Oh no! I've decided I need to make a change in my design plans. So I'm going to be removing this little piece here and I'm replacing it with a longer piece because I've decided what I need is some stability for that upper level. Off with this, on with this. Now I'm repurposing my second set of legs, but I've only got one. And it's shorter than the other one. So what I've done is I've cut this one and I'm going to remake it so it's the same size as this one, so I have two legs the same size. And what I want to do is I want to take this out, put it in there. Also going to remove all the carpet, put new carpet on it. Now we'll staple it. And there we have two matching legs. Now what I'm doing is I'm using my old carpet, which is kind of scarred a little bit, for the template for the new one. There's my first piece. Wrap it around. My new leg. Matches, it matches, very nice, very nice. So I've decided to cut this board 64 inches, 24 for the first level, 16 for the second level, 24 for the third level. 64 inches, that's 5 foot 4 inches. Just to let you know a secret, that's taller than my wife, who's only 4 foot 10 and a half. Don't tell her I said that. I've cut this piece here 24 inches. Goes right perfectly underneath there. That's going to be the way I'm going to hold this up. There it is. All right. So I'm going to attach this right here. This will enable me to screw this into this board and kind of keep it steady a little bit. Ready to put the next level on. Look at that. So I have these 1x2s that I happen to have up in my junk pile. I'm going to screw them on top of the last level, the third level, because my wife wants an edge so that when she can put her cat food up there so that it doesn't fall off. Putting the carpet on, I'm going to cut it off right here. On the top here, staples on the side. And there is our top row. This is the feeding level, the third floor, way up in the air. So now we're going to go into the house, set this in place. I don't even have it together yet, and my cat is just going crazy because it just loves it so much. We're getting ready to get the kitty. Getting closer. Step by step, inch by step. Ha! And look, we have the third floor on. All right, now we're talking. The cat is up on the third floor and is testing the third floor. My wife nixed the idea of putting the basketball hoop up. She said it was too big. So instead, what I'm doing is I'm going to use this for a template, and I'm going to put it on this nice, thick piece of wood. As you can see, the cat has taken over the cat palace, and it loves that thing. But I'm getting ready to put that piece up on top for the lookout. Put a couple holes up there. Set it up there. Make sure it fits right. Yes, sirree. Got my wife over there checking it out, make sure I got this thing on straight. We're ready to receive the crow's nest on top of the cow palace. There it is. We have the crow's nest. And here we go, putting on the crow's nest. We're going to set it up there, make sure that the holes line up. Drilled my pilot holes in there. Drop it in the pilot holes. Got one in there. Get the other one in there. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, yeah. Oh, there we go. Now we're up in the crow's nest. Or not. All right, I cut my carpet to go around the round wood here. That's what it looks like. Not too bad, huh? Oh, Kitty doesn't think it's bad at all. Kitty likes it. All right. Oh, what a feeling. Oh, just like that. I'll leave that one sitting in there. We got that off. I guess we could put this up here if we wanted to. Wouldn't that be cool? Nice. Very What do you think, kitty? Meow. We're getting down to the finishing touches of this cat palace. I'm going to hang this old rope right here. Oh, got it. And then try to retie that knot. I'm going to take this rope, put it around here, glue it in, and first thing I'm going to do is burn the ends though. All right, we're getting ready to glue gun it, and of course I have my beautiful Vanna wife who's going to be doing the gluing because I am not a glue gun kind of guy. And the kitty is inspecting the work. That cat is in love with our new cat palace. Look at that. There it is, folks, glued in place. It's a world record. And before we go to any further, take your scissors and you just go and you cut all that excess carpet string off. All right, we're nearing the end of this project. We've just about got it all done. The cat has taken possession of his property, but there's one thing that we need to do, and that is there's a little bit of wiggle waggle back and forth in this. So what I'm going to do is I've cut a piece of plywood, a chipboard, and I'm going to put it down here, screw it into place, carpet it, and when I get it in there, that's going to help immensely on that waggle. Yes. What do you think about that? Do you like it up there? Oh, yeah. This is something from the old system that we're going to add to this. And that is how you build an amazing cat palace, just like this. Absolutely astounding. Me and my kitty agree. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is the shack that Dennis built, and this is the palace that sits in the shack that Dennis built.